Oh my goodness, I didn't think we'd see these here. I love them. There's a little deer, kind, little fox, be clever. I love these. And a little bear, be brave. They're just little circular or cylinder type pencil cases, and they're like a faux leather feel to them. Super cute. Not sure how well these would hole punch. Has anyone tried them? And then there's just, oh, these giant paper clips right here again. And this is so cute, little ball pen. These are new. They're like planner stickers. Lots of new notebooks here as well. Super cute. Like, oh, these are great little pads to have on your desk for taking notes. I typically like the ones that are not ruled, but these are all ruled. I always like going through the books here and seeing what's available. Aaron McKenna, I'm not sure who this is, but maybe somebody will be able to identify if they're a chef or something. But I'll just flip through here and then take a look at some of the other novels that might be handy for someone else too. Sisterhood. Looks like a nice cover. I don't know anything about these books, but you can't really go wrong sometimes with a book find at the Dollar Tree. These look fairly large, and it looks like they even come with stickers. Wondering if they're repositionable. These look like a cute little box of cards. And there's quite the collection in here. Some days I just wish I had two hands free for filming. It's so hard to do things with one hand. I can't get into here, so I'm just going to close this up. Well, these little legal pads are new to me. I had never noticed them before. A 3-pack, that's pretty good value. And these pens are new to me. I think I haven't seen them before, or if I have, I haven't noticed, haven't paid close attention. And go through here and see if there's anything. Oh, I have seen that these are the double packs versus only one of each color in the other packs. So if I see them in the store, I'll definitely point that out to you. And these look like they're scented. I'm wondering if they actually work. Okay, so here are the pack of highlighters, and they typically come with 4 in a pack. So if you do need them, back to school time is a good time to buy these because they have dual or double the amount in a package. I'm so happy to see that they have Mod Podge here. So they have the matte Mod Podge and also the gloss Mod Podge. These are really good value for us because Michaels no longer offers coupon options on the Mod Podge. So is this a box with a rock in it to paint? Oh my gosh. That's quite funny. They're selling rocks. Is it a real rock? So here's some thicker rope, and it's 9.1 feet, and then you've got your 14.7 feet of a little bit thinner. I think it's thinner here. Oh look, one last one for me. I love this cream. I just bought one not too long ago. So here are the little plates that a lot of people have been hauling. I'm not sure if this is a cartoon or not, but they're super cute. Oh, it looks like the little light up boxes are back. These were really popular last year. They sold so fast once they were put out. I love that we got these little fabric pieces here. I just never thought we'd have them. I did buy one with little polka dots. I think I'm going to look at buying another one here.
We got our stuff. Actually, I don't know if they would ship that out.
We found the original Skittles.
Oh, you like barbecue?
I still think I like it. I like barbecue.
I love the prints on this one. So I did a really cute Mod Podge wood transfer type image using a wood piece from the Dollar Tree and these calendars. If you'd like to see that, I will link it down in the description below. But there's so many beautiful cutouts here. You can frame them, use them as decor. There's so many options to do with this, but I loved having it transferred onto a piece of wood because it looks like a piece of art. Okay, so I'm gonna say goodbye, and here is a clip from the previous Dollar Tree shop with me that I just posted because these items were just put out at my other Dollar Tree that I visit quite often. So I wanted you guys to take a peek and see if there's anything fall related you need for your crafting purposes or DIYing. And so until next time, I do look forward to sharing my haul with you, and I hope you enjoyed walking through the other store with me. Until next time, bye everyone. Have a wonderful weekend.
Bye.